In this video, you'll learn how to ship items effectively on eBay. By following these steps, you will ensure that your packages are sent securely and efficiently to your buyers. Start by selecting the appropriate shipping method for your items. Navigate to your eBay account and locate the listing for the item you intend to ship. Once you have accessed the listing, look for the option that says Print Shipping Label. Here you can choose from various carriers such as USPS or FedEx. It is essential to select a service that balances cost and delivery speed. You should also opt for a shipping method that includes tracking, as this helps protect your seller metrics and provides assurance to your buyers. After determining the shipping method, the next step is to package your items properly. Ensure that you have suitable packaging materials on hand. Utilize protective packaging like bubble wrap, pack in peanuts or foam inserts to safeguard your items during transit. Choose boxes that fit the items snugly to prevent movement inside the package. If your item is fragile, consider double boxing for added protection. Proper packaging is crucial because it minimizes the risk of damage during shipping, which can lead to refunds or negative feedback. Once your items are securely packaged, proceed to print the shipping label. Return to the Print Shipping Label section of your eBay listing. Here you will see the details of your chosen shipping service along with the cost. If eBay offers discounted rates for labels, you will benefit from lower shipping costs. Confirm the details and click the Purchase button to generate your shipping label. After the label is created, it will be available for download and printing. Ensure you have a working printer and the appropriate label paper, or use standard paper if necessary. After printing the label, affix it securely to your package. Make sure that the barcode is clearly visible and not obstructed. You can either drop off your package at the selected carrier's location or schedule a pickup, depending on your preference. If you choose to drop off, locate the nearest drop-off point for your carrier and ensure the package is handed over correctly. If you opt for a pickup, follow the carrier's instructions to arrange the pickup time and location. Lastly, don't forget to upload the tracking information to eBay. This step is crucial as it keeps your buyers informed about the status of their shipment. Navigate back to your eBay listing and look for the option to enter tracking details. Paste the tracking number provided by the carrier and confirm the update. This action not only enhances buyer satisfaction, but also helps you maintain good seller ratings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.